Straumann SIRIOS Portfolio. How to use the Model Builder app. If you want to use the Model Builder app, the process is very simple and done directly from the SIRIOS software. Once you finish scanning the patient, just make sure the cloud symbol appears. This indicates that the case is already available in Access, thanks to the new auto upload feature. Next, you need to click on the three dots and select the Model Builder option. A new tab will automatically open, powered by Straumann Access. With Model Builder, you can easily transform your scans into 3D printable models and create accurate, customized physical models in-house. In this new tab, we are going to have the Model Builder menu and the Toolkit menu. In the Toolkit menu, you can find the upper scan, where you can modify the transparency or hide it. Same for the lower. Also, you can trim the model by using the lasso feature or rectangle. Also for the lower jaw. If you make a mistake and crop too much of the STL, you can just click Undo and redo the crop. In the Model Builder menu, you can select different model types, solid or reinforced, and the base height. You can modify, decrease, or increase the base. Also, the hinge type, we have 3 different options. And you can also engrave the patient's name. With the Model Builder app, you can generate physical models for long-term record keeping.